guys, welcome back to our vlog. We are on our way to the financial district, right? And we're on the train. We're actually alone, which is pretty damn cool. It was really packed a moment ago, but now we're completely alone. Where are we going again?
So we're going to the, I believe it's called the National Museum of the Native American Indian. And we're having a bit of a spontaneous day. We'll see what we do after. I'm excited.
Okay guys, we'll show you when we're there. It's a little noisy in here.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to the museum now. It's freezing outside. My hands are actually burning right now. Are you excited?
I'm very excited. My hair's still wet actually, so that was not a good idea at all.
Alright, so we'll catch you guys there.
Before we head inside, let's take a moment and admire the beauty of this building. I don't know much about architecture, but I think it looks beautiful. It looks very old school. I actually never heard of this museum before. Kevin mentioned it to me earlier, so let's go inside and check it out.
Guys, check out how massive this is. It's amazing. Some of the artwork on the ceiling looks pretty spectacular. I think that's the Titanic over there. Could be wrong. Yeah, pretty awesome. Guys, check it out.
Times have changed.
Wow, the size of these spears is crazy. So apparently these were used to hunt not only fish, but seals, dolphins, and a number of other things. We just got done with the museum. I gotta say it was pretty cool. I definitely recommend you guys check it out. It's a lot of information, a lot of stuff you can learn there. What do you think of it?
I thought it was really cool. Something different, you know. Everybody's used to going to the Met or the Natural History Museum. Not gonna lie, we go there pretty often. So, first time hearing about this museum through Kevin, and I would say and recommend you guys to come out here. It's something different and really cool to see the history behind New York and just Native Americans in general.
So we're probably gonna go to Stone Street right now, or just stop at a random bar. We'll see what happens.
Let's go.
Guys, I know I mentioned this before, but holy shit, it's freezing. My hands they literally start burning so much. It literally feels like they're on fire.
I don't know if you can see on the camera, but check this out. Look how red my hands are. Let me show you Kevin's ear, by the way. So freaking red. Oh my gosh, guys. We were not expecting it to be this cold. It's 26 degrees, but no. This feels way colder because of the winds.
Yeah, for sure. So we made it to Stone Street. It's looking so dope.
It kind of looks like we're somewhere in Europe. I don't know, something about the stones, how narrow the street is. We'll show you. Tell us what you think.
Guys, so we were debating between either going there, the Cauldron, or here, Mad Dog.
If you saw our last vlog, I cooked Mexican food at home and I've been trying to find good Mexican food, so I'm thinking maybe we should give this spot a chance. I'm excited.
All right, let's check it out.
Here apparently has been built since the 1700s, and George Washington apparently came here to have a drink before a battle. I'm not sure what to expect when we get in there. I heard good things, so let's go check it out. It's really cold still. Let's go.
So we're in one of the oldest bars in the entire country, and honestly, when you come in, it smells like very old wood. It's hard to describe it. You definitely get the sense that it's very old. And so far, it's been a cool experience.
Hey guys, it's actually the next day. If you guys are ever in the area, I definitely recommend going to Snowstorm. It was a lot of fun. Kevin and I actually decided to come to another museum. We're standing right now in front of the Met. Let's go and check it out. We're thinking of hitting out the ancient Egyptian side first. We've never been to that section. Let's go check it out.
So we just finished up with the Met. Unfortunately, as soon as we got in, they pretty much asked us not to film, but we managed to sneak in a few shots here and there.
Apparently there's supposed to be a snowstorm and it's starting to snow now. I'm not sure if you guys can see that right behind us. We're just gonna pick up some food and get cozy back at home. See you guys next time and stay safe.
Take care, guys.